All right, Grand Rising, everyone, and welcome back. It's Shay Seeking, and I'm back with another video. So, yeah. Hold on one second. There's somebody having a party, and they're doing karaoke outside. But I did want to go ahead and read something. Well, not read something, but read into something really quick. Hold on one second. Okay. Yeah, I was thinking about how it feels like there's something trying to, what do you call it, hold back connections, cut off energy, try to weaken, like I said, some kind of connection within, children or even, lovers or something, and I feel like somebody feel like it's their best something, but what, like, this might be somebody under the impression that this is the best thing for them to disconnect from certain individuals. For me, everything that I'm feeling or seeing, I don't know, is I'm gonna let it be what it's gonna be, right? Because I'm not gonna make a mistake and try to grasp onto anything, and I don't want to make a mistake and fall into any type of trickery or any kind of pit, right? So, but I can't continue to hold back from things that, bring balance, right? So, yeah, we got the Ace of Swords here. And this deck is a feminine energy with like a stairway going into her dome or her head, and there's light spewing out of it, okay? And so this is also someone trying to keep some children back from their mother, okay? Their earthly mother. As I said that, the Empress card did pop out here, okay? Yeah, I feel like this is something being done on a large scale. Like a lot of people are putting work in to sever this energy. And it's so funny because I was just watching that show. Yeah, we got the Ten of Pentacles. The Ten of Cups in reverse. I was just watching that show Gaslit, and I watched like the first 1 or 2 episodes. I kind of, like I said, it's just been a sleep disorder around this motherfucker for the past 2 days, okay, or more. So like I said, it's almost like somebody is channeling energy. It's almost like somebody knows when somebody is like in, I don't know, it's like animalistic kind of behavior, because it's like somebody knows when somebody is in heat or something, okay? We have 6 of Pentacles, okay? So again, even though in this deck is showing me that somebody is giving, they're actually taking these huge pinnacles and giving them to somebody that's lower, right? There's a one hand above and there's one hand below, and the pinnacles are floating in between. But there's also this infinity energy or infinity sign here, which is giving me, or that 8 that is giving me something here, that there could be some kind of trickery being done with this, because like this is the first 6 of Pentacles card that when it's in the upright is giving me, it's not really telling me who's getting the abundance, because like I said, the pentacles or whatever, because the pentacles are floating in air. And this is giving me, excuse me, maybe this has to do with an air sign or something like this, but it's giving me something like something is up and it's up. Okay, it's up in the air. Okay, it depends on this fatal something. All right, but again, in this lifetime, I feel like I'm going to be forced to, I'm going to be tricked into settling, is what I feel like this energy wants someone to do. They want someone to be demoted, okay? They want somebody to feel like they don't have the power or the connection or something like that, or as if it was needed outside of themselves. You see what I'm saying? It's almost like somebody wants somebody to panic, because of decisions that's going to be made or things that's going to be ended up happening here, like in the next couple of days or whatever. Okay, regardless, there's going to be some type of sealing of a deal here. Okay. And as soon as I said that, the 3 of Swords came in reverse. Okay. So I was looking at this here because I was thinking all day, I'm like, today, there's something something about today. And why does it feel so familiar, And it was just this energy today of like deja vu. Okay, all throughout the day, even since last night, something about deja vu. Even this party that's going on here, okay, it's almost like deja vu. Okay, and so yeah, okay, so that, all right, so let's see. So again, I started to think about it the other day because I felt like there was a lot of activity with the stars about 2 days ago or whatever. Um, and just like a lot of activity, like I said, in the sky. Sometimes I see like drone activity or just a lot of like movement in the luminaries. Okay. And so it started making me think, like, I feel like there's trying to be like, I just woke up and that show was still on, right? And there was this one guy, whatever, that was going, well, he was in jail and his 3 children were visiting him. And I had remembered, like, I don't know what I had missed or whatever, but I remember this guy was the one that brought up a plan to these people, right, in this God-running forest, that they need to create this Operation Gemstone, okay? So as soon as they said that, he was talking about something about pressure or something like that of a gem. And as soon as they said that, I was thinking, damn, that's Empress energy. Because, the storyline, I guess, is about this feminine energy that works for somebody that works for the government, and they want her to shut her mouth because she knows shit that she shouldn't be saying, and she kind of got her own way of saying it. All right, and so, excuse me, and so, what I was gonna say. Okay. All right. So, anyways, so when I was surprised to see that this man was talking to his children from behind the bars or whatever when I woke up. So I had to what? Excuse me. I'm gonna have to go back and watch whatever it was that happened. But I guess they were talking about espionage and starting this thing or whatever, because the actual higher ups, and I wonder if this was Nixon. I can't remember what president was in this show, but it made me think. It made me go back to World War II, and golly, okay, I'm getting